Hello, my friend. Oh, well, dear. What do you want? A glass of milk. Who are you? I am businessman. How many family members do you have? I have six family members. How many daughters do you have? I have one daughter. How many sons do you have? I have two sons. What does your father do? He is also a businessman. Which class is your son studying? My son is studying class 5th. Which type shop do you have? I have general store. How many brothers do you have? I have one brother. What does your brother do? He helps me at the shop. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is biryani. Where are you doing business? Because it's my hobby. Which game are you like? I like football. When you go to ground? I go to ground at 4 o'clock. Who play with you? I play with my friend. Who is your favorite player? My favorite player Ronaldo. Which book are you reading? I read a newspaper. What do you in free time? I play volleyball. Thank you for your time. You are welcome. You are welcome. Would you have a cup of tea? No thanks. Thank you for watching my video. For more video, please like and subscribe to our channel. See you again on a new video. Please wait new video.